Welcome to this video on gratitude meditation, a transformative practice designed to cultivate appreciation and positivity in your life. By focusing on the many blessings we often overlook, gratitude meditation has the power to shift our perspectives, reduce stress, and increase happiness. In the next few minutes, we'll guide you through this mindful practice, which can be a pivotal step towards a more fulfilled, content, and grateful life. Let's journey together towards harnessing the power of gratitude to significantly improve your life. Gratitude meditation is a type of mindful meditation that aims to cultivate appreciation and thankfulness in one's life. It involves focusing one's thoughts on the positive aspects and experiences of life, and acknowledging the good things we often take for granted. By practicing gratitude meditation, we can cultivate a positive mindset, reduce stress, improve mental health, and increase happiness. It encourages us to slow down, take stock of our blessings, and express thanks for them, thereby creating a state of peace and contentment. The practice of gratitude meditation can be incredibly powerful. It can shift our focus from what we perceive as lacking in our lives to the abundance that already exists. It can help us understand and appreciate the value of every moment, every experience, and every individual we encounter in our journey of life. It's more than just saying, "Thank you." It's about truly feeling grateful from the heart. Now, let's walk through the steps to practice gratitude meditation. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you will not be disturbed. Sit comfortably, or lie down if that's more comfortable for you. Position your body in a way that feels natural and relaxed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then slowly exhale. Begin with acknowledging the simple things. Think about the air you breathe. As you breathe in and out, express your gratitude for this essential, life-sustaining element. Shift your focus to your body. Express your gratitude for your body, for its strength, resilience, and the experiences it allows you to have. Now, think about the people in your life. Express your gratitude for their presence, for their love, lessons, or companionship. Reflect upon the challenges you've faced, and express gratitude for the lessons they've taught you, and how they've shaped you into the person you are today. As you continue this practice, allow the feeling of gratitude to wash over you, filling you with positivity and peace. Take a deep breath in, hold it, and as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Carry this feeling of gratitude with you throughout your day. Remember, practicing gratitude can transform your perspective and your life. Make it a part of your daily routine to reap its numerous benefits. As we conclude this video on gratitude meditation, we hope you've found value and inspiration that will guide you towards a more grateful and contented life. Thank you for watching Meditation Tips. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel. We'd love to hear your feedback in the comments section below. How did this practice impact your day? What shifts did you notice in your mindset? Your insights could greatly help others in their own meditation journey. Also, let us know what you'd like to see in our future videos. We're here to support your mindfulness journey, and your input is invaluable to us. Remember, gratitude is not just a practice, but a way of life. Keep cultivating it, and witness the transformation in your life. Thank you once again for your time, and until next time, take care and be well.